Hi everyone, Ajay this side. This is the demo video of my hackathon project, LifeFix. So let's begin. So almost all of us know small problems at home can turn into big frustrations. You know, leaks, loose hinges, dripping taps, and most of us don't even know how to fix them. Like we are not plumbers or electricians like that. So this is where my app comes in, LifeFix, your AI-powered assistant, a real-world repair assistant built with Gemini 3 Pro. So you just have to upload a photo or video of the issue. LifeFix will analyze it using Gemini's multimodal assistant reasoning, identify the object, detecting the defect, and estimating the severity, and highlighting safety concerns. It asks for, it even asks for the clarify image if needed. So yeah, now I'll show you the working of my project. So this is a front page of our project. We start with uploading the file. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I'll start diagnosing it. It will take time to diagnose it. So it can tell every little issue about the problem you're facing at that door. No, we just have to wait. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, showing loose screw, missing screw, and strip screw holes, surface corrosion, and everything. Yeah, it also shows the severity level, so it is medium. Now I like to generate a repair plan for it. So let's begin with that. It is taking some time, but it will definitely generate a good response. So here it is, a complete guide for your door fix. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, everything. And yeah, so the difficulty level is beginner, right? Means you can fix it. If it would have been advanced one, then it will recommend you a professional help. So you don't have to do that. So maybe you don't have time to read this whole paragraph, so you can enable voice guidance, which is helpful. You just have to listen and you can fix it while listening. So it is easy, pretty easy, right? So you can use live camera too. You just have to click here and click the photo of the problem you're facing, and it will generate the it will diagnose it and generate a good solution for that. Yeah. So yeah, live fix is also a additional feature of my app. It is also a safety first app, I'll say. If the problem is beyond your fixable beyond your fixing, you can't fix it, you know so it will just recommend you don't have to do anything. Just go to the professional and seek for help there. You don't have to use your brain for like doing things that will worse the condition, or maybe you will get injured. So that's really helpful. This app is for that. So yeah, thank you. That's all.